Want to know how Koreans study effectively? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of Korean study habits. South Korea, a nation acclaimed for its high educational standards and achievements, has some unique practices that make their learning effective. If you're new here, do consider subscribing to our channel. We have a lot more insightful content lined up for you. Stick around to learn about the 5 Korean habits that could transform your study routine. The first Korean habit we will discuss is the importance of a regular study schedule. It's common to find Korean students adhering to a well-defined study routine. This isn't just about cramming in more hours, it's about the predictability and focus that a set schedule brings. Think about it. When our brains know exactly what to expect, they can get into the zone more easily, helping us to absorb information more effectively. Plus, it helps in warding off the notorious enemy of productivity: procrastination. There's solid science behind this too. Studies, such as one conducted by the University of Illinois, found that students who followed a regular study schedule were more likely to perform better academically. So, it's not just about studying hard, it's about studying smart. And that starts with a regular, consistent schedule. So, a regular study schedule is a proven method to increase your study effectiveness. Moving on to the second habit: study groups. Now, this is not a uniquely Korean concept, but it's the way they utilize it that makes it special. In Korea, studying is often a communal affair. Friends, classmates, colleagues, they come together forming study groups. This approach creates a space for collaboration, where ideas are freely exchanged, concepts are clarified, and doubts are addressed. It's like having multiple teachers at once, each with their own unique understanding of the subject matter. But the benefits don't end there. These groups also provide a source of mutual motivation, pushing each other to strive harder and reach further. It's a friendly competition, if you will. The shared goals within the group create a sense of responsibility, making sure no one is left behind. So next time you're studying, consider inviting a few friends over. Remember, 2 brains are better than 1, or in this case, maybe even more. The third and fourth habits are active learning and regular breaks. Now, active learning is a concept that goes beyond the traditional rote memorization. Koreans place a high value on understanding and applying concepts. It's not just about memorizing facts and figures. It's about questioning, exploring, and truly comprehending the material. This deep dive into subjects fosters a more profound knowledge base that can be applied in various contexts, enhancing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. On the flip side, there's the practice of taking regular breaks. It's easy to think that studying for hours on end will lead to better results. But Koreans understand the importance of giving the brain time to rest and recharge. Short breaks, taken consistently, can help maintain focus and productivity, preventing burnout. Active learning and regular breaks, 2 sides of the same coin, aren't they? Last but not least, the use of technology. When we think about education and technology, South Korea often stands out as a pioneer, fully embracing the digital age. This is reflected not just in their classrooms, but also in their study habits. Online resources, educational apps, and digital textbooks are integral parts of a Korean student's study routine. Let's look at the benefits of this approach. Firstly, it allows for immediate access to a wealth of information, right at your fingertips. Secondly, it promotes interactive learning, making the study process more engaging and effective. And finally, it offers flexibility, as you can study anytime, anywhere. So consider incorporating technology into your own study habits. Try out some educational apps or switch to digital textbooks. Remember, it's not about replacing traditional learning methods, but rather enhancing them with the use of technology. So don't shy away from technology, embrace it for a better learning experience. To sum up, these 5 Korean habits can make a significant difference in your study routine. Maintaining a regular study schedule, participating in study groups, employing active learning techniques, taking regular breaks, and leveraging technology can all enhance your study effectiveness. We encourage you to give these habits a shot and see the benefits for yourself. Don't forget to comment the best Korean habit you like. Thanks for watching, and remember, success is a habit, not an act. Keep studying, keep learning,